Hey guys, it's the Wig Fairy GH speaking. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Today I'm showing you how to perfectly bleach the knots on your lace with measurements and everything. Alrighty guys, so what we're gonna need is blue bleach, 40 volume developer or peroxide. If you don't have 40 volume, that's fine. Whatever you have will work. Just know that the lower the number, the longer the processing time, and the lower the strength of the developer. We're gonna need a spatula, a mixing bowl, got to be freeze spray, a comb, foil, a 25 milliliter measuring cup or 15 throughout just works as well, a blow dryer, shimmer light shampoo and conditioner or just purple shampoo and conditioner, and a hot comb. Yay! Okay. Alright, so we're gonna take our lace closure or frontal. Do you guys see the untamed hairs at the front of the closure? Yes. So what we're going to do is use a hot comb and run that through the hair until all the hairs are flowing in the same direction. This is to avoid any stray hairs getting bleach on them accidentally during the process, because you know we're not trying to make any mistakes, right? So now that we have all our hairs falling in the same direction, no stray hairs, looking beautiful, looking, I don't know, just laid down, you know, just looking flat kind of, yeah. We're going to take got to be freeze spray and spray it along the hairline just as I'm doing. This is to protect the hair at the hairline from any bleeding bleach, even though we shouldn't have any. But yeah, it kind of forms a coat over the hair strands just in case any bleach bleeds through, it won't end up bleaching beyond the knots. So yes, you comb, you spray, you comb. Don't be stingy with the spray, you spray it, okay? But you spray, you comb. You are getting it. Good. There we go. Perfect. So this is where we blow dry along the hairline just to ensure that the coat hardens, you know, for extra protection. And as you can see, it's hardened. Everything is laying as it should be. And now we can move on to making the bleach mixture. So what I started with was 25 milliliters, I struggle with this word, milliliters of the bleach powder. And then I added 2 15 ml cups of developer to the bleach powder. So for me, what works is 1 25 to 30 ml cup of bleach powder with 1 30 ml cup of developer, and that gives me the perfect consistency. And so I apply this ratio of basically 1:1 if I have to increase or decrease the mixture depending on the number of things I need to bleach. The consistency we're going for is kind of like toothpaste, something pasty. As you can see, as we're mixing, it's getting thicker. The mixture is not too thick and it's also not runny, because you don't want a runny mixture because it will bleed through your lace and get on your hair. We do not want that at all. So if you need to test if your mixture is the perfect consistency as well, you can either put your spatula or whatever it is you use to mix it in the paste, and if that thing stands, your mixture is ready. If not, if it falls, you just have to add some more bleach powder bit by bit. But as you can see, this is the consistency we're going for. So now we're ready to apply the bleach onto the lace. Guys, in this step you have to be very gentle, okay? You have to be like a fairy, okay? Your hands have to be dancing ballet. Imagine that, graceful, elegant, gentle. I like to start from the back because I find that the knots at the back are slightly thicker, so they take longer to bleach. So I work my way from the back to the top. Remember to be gentle. Listen, guys. At the back, right, you don't have to be as gentle as you have to be at the front of the lace. So because at the back, you do have to press just a tad bit harder because the knots are thicker. But please, just if you're a beginner, don't press too, please. Just slight. Once you get to the front, you have to be even more gentle. Like you have to be super gentle. Do you see? Yes, very gentle. Spread it across, but not too hard, because especially at the front, that's where the most bleeding happens. So please, that's where you make the biggest mistakes. And as for the front, if you spoil the front, I can help you fix it, but you don't want me to have to. But I will still help you. But still,
some big bang things. When I come to, I pack up the place. Now I did mash up the chest. Me, I just scatter the place.
So now that we're done covering the knots with the bleach, do you see how when you turn it around, the bleach hasn't gone through the holes of the lace? That's exactly what yours should look like, and I'm trusting that it does. So what we're going to do now is take tin foil. We're going to cut a piece to cover up the lace. Make sure to press the foil just a little bit onto the lace. Be very gentle once again. And then we'll flip over the lace. We do this so that the hair is upright, so none of the mixture can drip into the hair and bleach beyond the knots. Alrighty, so set your timers for 10 minutes. It doesn't always take 10 minutes. It really depends on the hair you're using and how long it takes for colors to lift. But after 10 minutes, you should be checking periodically. Do not leave the bleach on the hair for longer than 20 minutes though. So the color we're looking for is a pale yellow. If you do have to re-bleach the hair again, just make sure to do it on wet lace. You don't want to do it when the lace is dry. So after you wash out the bleach, just apply the mixture again on the wet lace. This reduces the intensity and strength of the developer because you don't want to put the knots through too harsh of a process, because that can lead to uncontrollable shedding and balding of the closure. And to be honest, you're going to have to buy a new one, spend money again. Guys, like, I'm speaking from experience. From when I first bleached knots, I toot all the hair from from the lace. So don't be like me in the beginning. Be better. So now that we have our pale yellow knots, it's time to wash off the bleach. Just as I'm doing, turn the lace upside down and let the water run on it and into the sink. Make sure that the water doesn't run onto the lace, into the hair, and then into the sink. It has to be on the lace, into the sink, because bleach reduces the quality of hair. So as you can see, the knots have a slight hint of brassiness, so we're taking our purple shampoo, washing off all the bleach, making sure that there's no bleach left on the lace at the very end. Alright, so guys, I know it doesn't seem like I'm being very gentle with the lace, but I kind of am. But also, if you have HD lace in hand and that's what you're using, please do not wash it the way I'm washing it now. I beg you. HD lace will tear and you'll blame the wig fairy. It wasn't me. So you have to be super gentle, take into consideration the lace you have on hand. Just make sure the shampoo lathers and you get all the bleach out, and that's all you need to do. Thankfully, with blue bleach powder, it doesn't really leave much brassiness. As you can see, our knots are looking very realistic against my hand. And so now we're going to do the same thing with conditioner, but I like to let the conditioner sit in for about 10 minutes. Make sure that you keep an eye out, because if it's on your lace for too long, it can turn your lace purple, especially transparent lace. So be careful. I don't want you to blame me for something that happens when I gave you a warning, okay? Guys, as you come to learn, I literally just can't speak one way for a very long time. So anyway, we've come to the end of the video. Look at how perfectly bleached these knots are. This is one of my techniques. If you want to see my other technique on a frontal, let me know down below in the comments and I'll upload that. If you also enjoyed the background music, guys, look in my description box. The link is there. Share, tell your friends. I'm not sure how you don't know this song, but you should. So, yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what more you'd like to see on this channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! But I cannot back away before that. I go set up the place now. Sexy girl, make me mash up the place now.